In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo in Microsoft Whiteboard. If you're sketching ideas, moving notes around, or annotating a board and make a change you don't love, undo and redo are the fastest ways to correct course. Let's start with undo. On the whiteboard interface, look for the undo button on the toolbar. It's typically represented by a curved arrow pointing to the left and is usually near the top of the screen. Clicking this once reverses your most recent change, whether that was a pen stroke, a text edit, or a shape you added or moved. It's an immediate way to back up one step without hunting for menus or deleting content manually. If you're using a Windows PC with a keyboard, press Ctrl and Z together. On a Mac with a keyboard, press Command and Z. Each time you use this shortcut, you move back one more step through your recent edits, making it ideal for quickly walking back a series of actions. This works great even if you're on a touchscreen device with a keyboard attached, because it keeps your hand on the keys and your eyes on the board. Now, let's talk about redo. If you undo something and then realize you actually want it back, click the redo button on the toolbar. It's usually right next to undo and looks like a curved arrow pointing to the right. Redo restores the action you just undid. So if you brought back a pen stroke, a moved sticky note, or a text change, it will reapply that last undone step. Think of it as a safety net that lets you move forward again after stepping back. On Windows with a keyboard, the redo shortcut is Ctrl and Y. On a Mac with a keyboard, press Command and Y. This reapplies the last action you undid, allowing you to confidently test changes, step back, and then restore them if they were better than you thought. A few quick tips for smooth use. Make sure your cursor focus is on the whiteboard so the shortcuts register. If nothing happens when you try to undo, you may simply be at your earliest change. And remember, redo is available after an undo. If you keep editing new things, redo may no longer apply because there's nothing left to restore. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. With undo and redo at your fingertips, you can experiment freely in Microsoft Whiteboard, knowing you can always step back or bring something back with a click or a shortcut.